everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. Today we're talking about NIST SP 800-171 Control 3.7.2, provide controls on the tools, techniques, mechanisms, and personnel used to conduct system maintenance. Now in this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a sample answer, and then I'm going to kind of fill in some blanks for you. So if we were giving a sample answer to this control, we'd say, hey, it's implemented MFA, or multi-factor authentication, along with specific specialized system administrator accounts are required to conduct system maintenance. So there's a lot of our controls on our tools, right? All information system maintenance is overseen by the IT department. So that's who's controlling it, right? That's our personnel. Maintenance is tracked via IT service tickets. Service tickets are reviewed by IT admins at least quarterly. That's probably extreme. They're probably reviewed a little bit more often than that, but again, just for the purpose of answering the control, it's an acceptable answer. Physical premise security system maintenance is overseen by the facilities department. Facility maintenance records are kept by the FSO, or facility security officer, in the form of written logs and checklists. These logs are reviewed by the company security officer at least quarterly. And again, if you haven't seen some of our previous videos, a lot of times we talk about a quarterly risk management meeting. That's probably where these things are getting done. We don't specify it in the answer here, but that's probably, again, if someone asks, that's probably what we would say. Personnel performance is periodically reviewed and peer-reviewed annually. So again, we don't get really deep into the weeds on this one, but we will say it's periodically reviewed. Of course, your boss is always watching over your shoulder, right? We know how that goes. And then of course, peer-reviewed annually. Again, we just assume generally that everybody gets an annual evaluation. That's pretty standard here. So again, a lot of different things to unpack on this, but the most important thing is that you're basically safeguarding the people and the methods that are being used to conduct that system maintenance, and that you're actively controlling how all that stuff happens. So again, this answer is one that I would say for every different size of company or type of company is going to have a pretty good amount of variance, but again, that sample answer should at least lead you down the right path to some water there, if you will. And hey, if you're trying to get compliant with DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, or CMMC on your own, and you're looking for help, our compliance experts are always on call for you to help defog the visor. Visit NIST800-171compliance.com or check out the bio below for the links to make life easy. There you can find more information about how we can help, self-schedule time at your convenience with one of our compliance experts throughout any form on the website, or learn more about our completely done-for-you services that can have you on your way to being compliant in just 2 to 3 days. If you love the content that we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash that subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. It's a great way to stay prepared for that upcoming CMMC certification. Everybody's going to have to eventually go through it. Until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. I'll see you on the next one.